How we doing today, people? This your boy Yancymane back with another video, quick video. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Ledeez LED USB light bars. Okay, I picked these up to add a little bit of light to my gaming desk and probably my bar, but we'll see. All right. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed to the channel, please turn on notifications for future videos. All right. So real quick around the box. As you can see, as long as it focus. This is blue, got UV or purple, and red. Okay. So each box contains 2 bars. All right, decorate your space. Okay, back of the box. Some information you can pause and read for yourself. You can see right here. What is that? 5-inch bar, 65-inch long cable, low energy LED lights with the adhesive back. All right. Okay, pop them open. Let's see. All right, so this is the blue one, but they also look the same. So as you can see, it comes with 2 bars, 3M tape on the back, and looks like it's one power source. Yeah. So the 65-inch cable, 1 power source, USB. Okay. It's not much to it. That's cool. I paid $5, like $5.50 for each box. So. But let's see here. And I'm gonna set them up so you guys can kind of see how I use them. But okay. So there's no on and off switch. You know, once you plug it in, they're on. There's no way to change the color. They are the color that you saw in the box. All right. So this will be in blue. All right. So we'll pause the video and set them up somewhere. Hopefully permanent, because I'm going to pull out the adhesive. And yeah, I'll be right back. Give you an idea how bright the lights are. Clearly the blue one is way brighter. To give you an idea, as you can see, that's the blue. Okay, that's the UV or purple. And with the UV, I would advise not to be too close to this one because of the harm UV lights can do if under them too long. See right there, it says UV light. So just advisory warning. It's also on the box. Let me unplug the blue so you can see. So that's the UV. Okay, and I'm powering these with a portable charger. So it's probably what I'm gonna use when I put them in a space permanently. And that's the red. So the red is not dull, it's just that the blue is just crazy bright for some reason. Yeah. All right. Also, one more thing, a little bit around them. Let's see, get you some light now. Like I said, I don't pay like $5.50 for these, so of course they're cheaply made. There's see a little plastic around there, and like they filled it with glue. The same on this end. So be careful with them unless you're very tech savvy as far as putting wires back in the original place. All right, and they all made the same. So with the red, I decided to go underneath this little platform on my desk. This is considered my Nintendo side, and Nintendo base color over the last 30 years has been red. So there's my Nintendo Switch underneath there. So it gives a real cute or real cool hue, I guess you would say, a backlighting of red. It's real nice. So I think I'm gonna leave them there. I didn't pull off the 3M tape. I used another piece of tape just to see how it would look. Also with this base here, I was able to just plug it in the back, like so. All right. And by the way, anybody own a Nintendo Switch playing online? Of course, you can look me up at Yancymane, Mario Kart, Streets of Rage, Smash, you name it, I probably got it. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's try the next color. Okay guys, and this is the blue ones. So put them in my son's room. It's kind of a theme. PlayStation been accenting the blue color for the last, I don't know, 10 or 15 years. So along with the red with the Nintendo, I thought it'd be fitting for the blue to be with PlayStation. But as you can see, I just stuck them right underneath his monitor here. Right there. And that's what it looks like from a distance. All right. Real simple, cheap, effective tech. Pretty cool. And with this, you can plug it in your PlayStation USBs or portable USB charger, or even your monitor if it has a 3.0 USB port. All right. Okay guys, so for the UV or purple light, I decided to put midway on my bar. And it's a 3-tier bar. So you can see how the lights here. This look a whole lot better once you get dark. And I'll go back and post a picture for you guys to see during this video, hopefully. All right, it's sitting right there on the bottom. Again, I'm using a portable charger. All right, and right there, middle. That light, that's a light there, a little circle tap light I have for accents. Like I said, all this looks better when it's dark, but just showing you guys real quick. All right, guys. So in conclusion, I think these are worth, the $5 or $6 are spent on them. As you can see, they can really change your space or your area. I definitely recommend them. Definitely for the price, of course. And something simple to start out with. If you, like I said, you saw how I used them. So your room, your bar, your desk, your gaming consoles, even in your car. Yeah, I didn't think about that. You can use them in your car as well, just to add, simple lighting effect. All right. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also turn the notifications on so you'll be notified for future videos. It's your boy Yancymane, I'm out.